Let me surprise you. This is not ogbono soup. Yes, this is Bokolisa soup. Welcome to our channel. Please subscribe and follow for more recipes. So these are the ingredients: pomo, dried fish, ewedu or jute leaves, beef. I'll be using agema wool for this, and Bokolisa powder. So this is what Bokolisa seeds look like. They are really small and very rare. You can only get them in Ikale in Ondo State. And the other, chili pepper powder, palm oil, some salt, and seasoning cubes. So I will pour the palm oil into the Bokolisa powder. For Bokolisa soup, we don't fry it like we fry ogbono soup. We just pour the oil into the powder and mix it well to make sure it forms a smooth paste. If you have never heard of this soup before, please like this video. If you've heard of it before, also like this video. Thank you. The paste, I'll pour my meat or beef into my pot. I'll pour some water. I'll also add some seasoning cube. I'm just using one. Some salt, onions, and that's all. No curry, no thyme. I'll cook for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'll add some more water. I'll also be adding my pomo, dried fish. You can use any dried fish of your choice. You can even use fresh fish. So I'll cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'll be adding my chili pepper, some salt, seasoning cube, and ewedu leaves. The ewedu leaves have been washed and sliced. I'll mix it gently to ensure that the fish does not crumble and cook for about 5 minutes. If you find this video interesting, please give it a thumbs up by liking it. Thank you. So I'm cooking for 5 minutes now, and after 5 minutes, this is what it looks like. So it's time to put in the Bokolisa paste. This is the technical part. I have to be very meticulous to make sure that the paste dissolves well before putting in another, so that my soup will not be full of lumps. It is best you use the back of your spoon to press the Bokolisa paste against the pot while making a circling motion. It helps dissolve the paste easily. So I'll mix it gently, and soup is almost done, by the way. I'll simply cook it for 5 more minutes after mixing it well. After 5 minutes, soup is ready. This soup is eaten by the Ikale people of Ondo State. If you know any Ikale person, you know that Pupuru is their staple food. Is like a main food in Ikale Land in Ondo State. And of course, an average Ondo person or an average Ekiti person likes pounded yam, so you can enjoy this soup with pupuru or pounded yam. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow this page for more.